Hello, we're out here on Spurs and Furs Ranch outside Winnett, Montana. We're gonna go do some bird hunting today. Got my black lab Cy and the ranger and my dad, and we're gonna go see if we can't get some birds up and just have an awesome day on the ranch. Come along for the hunt. Oh no. Cy! 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 Get the bird! Go get it! Go get it! Good boy! Good boy! Come on! Right here! Good boy! So we just wrapped up the hunt. We had a great time. Saw about 150 birds, mainly pheasants. My lab Cy did actually pretty good for today and ended up with 2 roosters, and I missed more than I could count. But all in all, it was an awesome day.